Firstly, apologise for the lighting, but I've just got home from my food shop and I thought I'd just quickly show you what I've got. There's like a week in the life of a student. So this cost me £24 altogether, and I've got quite a bit. So I've got a, sorry about the mess in like the background by the way, it's a student kitchen. So I've got some pineapple chunks pre-cut up just because it saves time. I've got some raspberries, some garlic and parsley ciabatta, because I've got a lasagna and then they go quite nicely on the side with salads as well. I've got a packet of watercress, spinach and rocket just because it's my favourite for salads. Then I've got some ham hocks and some prawns to put in salads as well. I've got some bagel thins, which I've never actually seen in Aldi before, but I decided to pick those up because they're nice just for like dinners or breakfast and things like that. I've got 3 packets of this spice infusion couscous just because it makes such a great pair with salads if you want it to be a bit more filling. I try not to buy meat, so this is like a good alternative. And now I've bought these, I mean like chicken and things like that. I've got some feta and spinach parcels again. I've seen these in M&S and Asda, so I'm happy to see that they're in Aldi and see how much they are. So I've got some chicken and chorizo and some spinach and feta. Packet of gum, some tissues just because I've been having, I don't know if it's hay fever or whatnot, but really bad, like cold at the moment. I've got some baked beans and sausages just for like a quick dinner. Some sweet popcorn just because it was next to the till and I was hungry, so I picked some of that up. Got some Knorr pack, which is basically the Lure pack. Then I've got 2 of these strawberry thick luxury yogurts. I've not had those before, but they sound nice, so I can't wait to try those. And then to put with my salads, I've got some cucumber, olives with lemon and herbs, they're my favourite. And then I also found these marinated tomatoes in garlic and oregano. So these were like part of the new deli range next to these, and then they had like loads of other stuff. So yeah, this cost me £24, which I don't think is too bad. It is pretty expensive for me. Usually for a week I can buy like a whole weekly meals in like £10 or something, but I think it's because I got the prawns and a lot of fruit this time, but I'm not too bothered. I think that's a really good amount to spend. And then I've also got like the beans and things that will go in the fridge, in the cupboard for a longer time. So yeah, this is what I got this week and I'm just going to put it away quickly.